The sun can make you sneeze. But why? Have you ever stepped outside into bright sunlight and suddenly felt an uncontrollable sneeze coming? Believe it or not, this is a real condition called the photic sneeze reflex. Scientists think bright light can confuse the nerves in your face that are connected to your eyes and your nose. Your brain mistakes that strong light signal for something irritating your nose and responds the only way it knows how: a sneeze. Around 1 in 4 people experience this reflex. So if it happens to you, you are definitely not alone. So the next time the sun makes you sneeze, don't blame your nose. Blame your brain's crossed signals.